For today's lesson, we will look at page 66 in your Planet Maths book on fractions. If you look at section A, it says, listen to your teacher. So what I would like you to do in section A is to get your ruler and your pencil, and I would like you to divide each letter or number into halves. So if we look at the first letter, which is the capital A, so if you can get your ruler and pencil and draw a straight line down, directly down the middle of letter A, to divide it into two equal parts, into halves. Some letters may have a vertical line, whereas other letters, like letter C, may have a horizontal line to divide it into halves. So you can try those 10 letters or numbers. Section B. Color half of these shapes. So we have 5 shapes here, and we are asked to color half of each shape. So if you look at half, the number on the bottom, which is 2, is the amount of sections which the shape is divided into. So halves are always divided into 2 equal parts. The top number is the amount which they want us to shade in, and they want us to color 1 half. So if we have to color 1 half of the circle, you can color either the left-hand side of the circle or the right-hand side of the circle. It doesn't matter which half once you just shade in half. Section C. Draw a line to divide each shape into half. Use a ruler. So again, take your pencil and ruler and draw a straight line down, directly down the center of the apple, to divide it into 2 equal parts. Use your ruler to try the other pictures. And last section, section D, color 1 half of each set. So if we look at question 1, we have 6 apples here. And we are asked to color in 1 half of each set. Now, if you're not sure what 1 half of 6 is, if you look at the bottom number, which is 2, if you think of dividing the apples among 2 people. So let's say at home, if you had 6 apples, you could divide them between you and a parent. So 1 for you, 1 for your parent, another 1 for you, another 1 for your parent, another 1 for you, and another 1 for your parent. So how many apples do you get? The answer is 3. So 1 half of 6 is 3. So you can color in 3 apples. You can try question 2, 3, and 4 and color in half of each set. Good luck.